What if one electric dirt bike could outperform many gas-powered motocross machines while making almost no engine noise? The 2027 Stark VARG is built to challenge everything riders thought they knew about off-road performance. With incredible power, advanced technology, and almost zero maintenance, this could be one of the most exciting electric dirt bikes ever made. A new level of electric performance. The 2027 Stark VARG continues to push electric motocross into the future. It delivers instant torque the moment you twist the throttle, giving riders explosive acceleration without waiting for the engine to build power. Whether you're racing on a motocross track or riding technical trails, the smooth power delivery makes every ride feel fast, controlled, and exciting. Smart technology that adapts to you. One of the biggest highlights is the advanced ride customization. Riders can adjust power output, throttle response, engine braking, and traction settings using the bike's built-in display. This means beginners can enjoy a smooth and easy ride, while experienced riders can unlock maximum performance for racing. Instead of changing mechanical parts, you simply choose the riding mode that matches your style. Lightweight design and easy maintenance. The 2027 Stark VARG is designed with a lightweight chassis that improves handling and confidence on rough terrain. Since it's fully electric, there's no oil to change, no clutch to replace, and no exhaust system to maintain. That means less time in the garage and more time on the trail. Combined with premium suspension and strong braking performance, the bike offers a modern riding experience built for today's off-road enthusiasts. Final thoughts. The 2027 Stark VARG proves that electric motorcycles are no longer the future. They're already here. With outstanding performance, smart technology, and lower maintenance costs, it offers a fresh alternative for riders looking to experience the next generation of off-road riding. This video is based on currently available information, industry trends, and early expectations for the 2027 Stark VARG. Final specifications, features, pricing, and availability may change when officially announced by the manufacturer. Always check official sources before making a purchasing decision.